the mall. What is it? Perfume, and I think it's lotion, suntan, and also some shampoo, plus body wash. Oh, cool! I can show you. I'm just trying to get all the stuff from the bag. So, who came with you to the mall? Oh, it was just Barbie, my big sister. Here's some perfume. Would you like to try out some perfume? Yes. It smells good, even if you don't spray it. I know, right? Wait till you check out this smell. Oh, that smells like strawberries. I love strawberries. Me too. There's also some more perfume and, wait, I think this is supposed to be lotion. Let me read. Oh yeah, it is. Here is some body wash that I bought for you. Oh, thank you. And some shampoo for me. You have got to smell this. Let me smell. I have no idea what it smells like. Me neither. It's a mystery smell. So, I'm also going to give you this one. You haven't smelled this one, right? Yeah, I have not. Oh my gosh, it smells like mango and it's like a tropical fruit. It's other scent. I think it's bananas. Barbie will tell me whenever I get home. Would you like to come to the mall with me next time? Yes! I would love to. Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a DIY Barbie perfume. Before this video starts, I want you guys to subscribe and hit the bell. But before you subscribe, let's see if you can do it in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you did it, don't forget to comment down below if you did. You will not miss out any videos if you hit the bell. There's videos about me like drawing, unboxing, and reviewing, crafting, and a lot of things. Here's what you need. Stickers. I got these from the bracelet set, which will be over here. Be sure to click at the corner and like that video also, and this one. You also need beads, any size of beads, and a glue gun, but make sure your parents will help you. Don't forget to check out my other videos, Barbie Crafts, which will be how to make small cookies for Barbie right over there at the corner. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, here there are big beads. Here's some wooden and small, like really small beads. There's also medium-sized beads. You can make perfume, lotion, spray, shampoo, anything. But make sure your parents hot glue for you. Let's make it. My mom will be doing the hot glue gun. And these are wooden beads and also plastic beads and everything. Okay, so let's get started with the crafts. Here, take the hot glue gun and take a big bead and just glue it at the tippity top with a different bead that's smaller. We are using a pink bead and a gold bead. Those are some of my favorite colors. Like that. At the end we will put stickers on it. You can take another one and put a different size bead, but first, again, glue the tippity top and then just get another bead. Here we're using a unicorn horn color, and for the third bead, your parents would hot glue it, and we will choose, how about this one right here? It looks like a gem, but it's only plastic. So here we have all three of the big beads. Now let's take a smaller bead and hot glue it at the top again to make our own sun lotion. Boom, like that. How easy. Just let it there. And then we're going to take a small bead to make like kid shampoo. I have some small containers of kid shampoo. Hot glue it. Make sure your parents do it for you. Anybody that is older. And then just take another small bead and place it down. Make sure it's stable. Uh-oh, I think the hot glue gun just dried too fast. They always dry too fast. This time let's do it a lot quicker than we did before. Here is our shampoo or body wash. And then we can take another one to make our DIY body wash instead of shampoo. So for this bead is clear. You can see through it. Hot glue at the top and do it fast, fast, fast. But not too fast or you might burn your finger. Here is our body wash, or was it shampoo? I think it was body wash. I don't know. I just forgot. Now take another one like this. It would be like a different shape. Glue it again and take the same color bead, or almost same, as it is. Here's it's blue and blue. Now it's time to get some stickers. For this one, I will be choosing a sticker for maybe a butterfly. I love butterflies. Let's just put it on like that. We already put a sticker on this, so we don't have to put it on. And then for another one, I could put, I want to put this one on it. Let's just peel it off. It's easy to get stickers because you can use whatever you want. And if they're too big, you can just cut them out if you want. Here's another one. And then the last one that I only want to decorate is this one. And besides the cookie of Barbie crafts, over here you will learn how to make CHELSEA Barbie doll's backpack. Just click on that. That would mean a lot to me. I think this sticker should go on it. I'm going to get some scissors because the sticker is way too big. Let's just cut it like this and like this carefully, and cut it to the size you want because this heart just does not fit. Okay, but now we could just stick it on. That's good. here are some more that we cannot do it because I don't think we could cut them out because they're way too big and I do not want to cut the picture of it. Here's what they look like. Wow, I really like this one here. It's clear and it has two different colors. Oops, I accidentally did that. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. But guys, I've messed up the intro, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to tap my circle, and you'll see all of the videos I have made, and tap on the Barbie playlist, Barbie doll crafts, and then you'll see all the Barbie crafts that we've done, including this one. Bye!